Okay, sis. This is me, Essie, again. Yesterday I told you I made a video of me mincing the meat, and my son called me and I somehow knocked the video out. So I'm going to do it again today. I hope everything's in view of the top here of the meat grinder. And if over here I have some cuts of, I hope you can see this, I don't want it to fall off. I have some cuts of lamb's on the left, and then I have some ground beef, steak on the right, just like a cheap cut, you know. And so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and show you how this goes. Take this out. I was showing you the other day. This is what you push the meat with. And I gotta make sure it's on, because something weird always happens. Okay, so, and then you just turn it on low. Okay, I turned it on low. Let me see. Oh, it'd be nice if I plugged it in, huh? Let me plug it in. Hold on. I am very, very careful with electricity, because I once lived in a place where I almost got electrocuted. So, there, now we're plugged in, ready to go. Okay, turn this on low. It's going around. Then you just drop your meat. I'll put a couple pieces of lamb in. Okay. And I'll put some beef in. There she blows. You can put it up high too, but he says it's best to just start low, you know. I just keep mixing. What I do is I use lamb and steak, whatever. I don't know why I can't think of the word now, but I use it for like when I make my grape leaves and stuff, you know, or cabbage rolls, whatever. I like to mix both. I like to mix both meats. Well, as you can see, it spits when it gets ready. So don't wear a good blouse while you're doing this. So this is going to be a mixture of lamb. Let me see if I can show it to you. Yeah, of lamb and ground beef. I like to push down on it, but I don't want to break it. Like, I don't want to be, you know, handle it too hard. So I just let it take its time. After all, it's doing me a great favor, right? You know? Some more lamb. Some more ground beef. I mean, not ground beef. Well, yeah, it's ground beef now, huh? Some more cheap cut steak. That's the thing I like about this. You can go out and buy some cheap cut steaks, you know, and make your own hamburger. They're just like old folks used to do when we was younger, when they had those grind ones. I have one of those too, one of those old silver meat grinders. I think I have two of them, unless I gave one away. More pieces. I'm just going to put all these up here so I can rinse off my board. I really got to stand back because I got spit on a couple times. I'm glad I didn't have my a really good shirt on, you know. How we doing here? Awesome. Ooh, yeah, it did spit on me too. Good thing it's not Clorox because I have a forest green shirt on. Yeah, I got spit on, but that's okay. Is that awesome or what, sis? You and I were talking about this. Yeah, you gotta get one. You can put vegetables in here, not just meat, you know, and fish. Like I said, my Uncle Junior, when I was younger, Uncle Junior used to make fish patties. They were awesome. He mixed them with cheap cuts of fish, you know, cheap fish, and you never even noticed the difference. Oh, I think it's almost done. It just went down. Yep. Like a little coffee spoon Alexa gave me when she bought me a coffee heater. Yeah, so I have to screw this up. Get as much as I can up out of there. Make sure I got it all down. I guess I only had to show you a little bit. I don't know why I went all the way through this, but it's fun. There. And turn it off. And there you have it. Ta-da. See if I got this in the camera. Yeah. There you have it. Lamb and your ground beef. Looks good, huh? Trying to get, there we go. Trying to get the light in. There we go. Lamb and ground beef. Ready for some grape leaves. All right, and that is the name of that tune, as Beretta used to say. All right, I love you, sis. I'm going to upload this to Facebook and tag your name to it. And God bless. I love you. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.